not in the genes. The arrogant and proud confidence about molecular biology is an increasingly dominant trend among the biomedical scientists. More and more genetics are feeling this way. Popular science magazines and the general media have united in a chorus of admiration concerning the supposedly dramatic effects this is going to have on human health. But enthusiasts of genomics have corrupted scientific effort and destroyed the real hope of progress. From the 1930s to the 1960s, there were researchers working at every level of biomedical science, from subcellular biochemistry to whole cell to organs to animals to humans. This was golden age. This was this was a golden age which was dominated by an era of cooperation and collective hard work. Public health specialists special, special, ah, public health specialists working at social, cultural, educational, and economic level were largely um, were largely responsible for the control of malaria. Cell culture specialists working with clinicians solved polio. Microbiologists working with chemists and clinicals eliminated the threat posed by most infections. Clinicians and pharmacologists working with chemists produced the revolution in psychiatry, which enabled too many patients to leave hospital. Starting in the 1960s, however, molecular biologists and genomics specialists took control of biomedical science. Everything was be understood completely at the molecular genomics level. Everything was be reduced to genome. Scientific journals came to dominated by reductionists who believed that specializing in field was a must for scientists for carry out supposedly deeper studies. They were continuously talking about the complexity of whole organ, whole animal, and especially whole human studies, which were too complex and full of the variety to understood.